Welcome to Knowledge Time classes. We request you all to please like and share our channel so that more and more students will be aware, and we will be uploading all the videos of science and maths of CBSE 9th standard. So that will be very helpful for all the students. Let us now continue with the series of our lectures. We are continuing with exercise 8.2, sum number 7. What is given in this sum? Triangle ACB is a right angle triangle at C. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. We have to prove D is the midpoint of AC, MD is perpendicular to AC, and CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. So this is a very easy sum. Let us start with the sum. Given triangle ABC is right angle at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB, MD is parallel to BC. First step is I want to prove D is the midpoint of AC. Now see, I know M is the midpoint of AB, so both of them are equal, and it is given MD is parallel to BC. So one point on one side of a triangle is the midpoint, and the line is parallel to the third side, so D becomes the midpoint of AC by converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, so your first part is proved. Second part, it is given MD is parallel to BC and DC is the transversal. Angle C is 90 degree given. So can I say angle MDC plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree? Reason? Interior angles of a parallel lines. So angle BCD is 90. So MDC plus 90 equal to 180. Angle MDC plus 90 is equal to 180. So angle MDC is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90. So therefore MD is perpendicular to AC. Finished? Now third point. Third, we have to prove that CM is equal to MA, which is equal to half of AB. For that, what I will do? I will join CM. Now consider triangle ADM and CDM. Consider triangle ADM and CDM. Can I say AD is equal to BC? We have already proved. D is the midpoint of AC. Can I say angle ADM is equal to angle CDM is equal to 90 degree? And can I say MD is equal to MD common? So in triangle ADM and triangle CDM, both the triangles are congruent by SAS test of congruence. Therefore MA is congruent to MC or AM is congruent to CM by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So I get AM is equal to CM. This I have proved. So AM is equal to CM, it is proved. Now can I say AM is half of AB? Why? Because M is the midpoint. If M is the midpoint, suppose this is 2, then whole becomes 4. So only AM will become half of it. So AM is half of AB. So instead of AM, can I write half of AB, which is equal to CM. So this way, what I have proved AM is equal to CM, which is equal to half of AB. Okay. So with this, we complete this sum. Thank you. Note down this sum.